Hey guys, today I have like a PR slash makeup haul for you, and the first thing that I'm going to talk about is probably the most exciting PR package of my career. When I received, so let me just tell you guys, they messaged me and I was like, what the hell? But I kind of, whenever like brands message me and stuff, I don't really get my hopes up until the PR actually comes, because I have had brands before say they're going to send things and then they just never show up and stuff like that. So when this brand messaged me, I did try and contain my excitement. I was like, don't worry about it. And then it showed up and I don't know why, I just wasn't expecting it to show up, but it did. I got a PR package from Laura Mercier. Like, that is just so crazy to me. Like, what the hell? It's just weird because I shop their products like in Mecca and stuff, and now they're sending me products for free, asking me to try out their new stuff, and I'm just like, so if Laura Mercier ever watches this video, thank you guys so much. Like, you guys have no idea how much this means to me. Like, I swear I almost cried when I received this package. So let me show you what we got in here. So the first thing I got was this giant powder puff, which I am so excited about. Like, I'm gonna cherish this for the rest of my life. I'm gonna sit it up in my studio. It is so cute. Like, it is the cutest thing in the world. It's obviously like a giant version of their like actual powder puff. It's so soft and I just love this. Like, I feel like, I don't know, it's so cute. It's such a special touch that they added that in. They sent me their new powder, and they also, I just want to show you guys this first. They sent me a little card and I just think that's so beautiful. Like, it's handwritten, which I just, like, that is just the sweetest thing in the world. Like, I will cherish this literally until the day I die. So yeah, thank you guys so much. I feel like that is so sweet. So yeah, they sent me their new translucent honey powder, which I'm really excited about. So let me tell you a bit about it. New translucent loose setting powder in the shade Honey. So before this they only had two shades. They had translucent and they had a medium deep, and now they have Honey. So this is like for, you know, like a medium skin tone, which I'm so excited about. So I will show you the powder. They also sent me this beautiful makeup bag. Like, this is such a luxe feeling makeup bag. Like, it feels like heavy duty, you know, like really good quality. And it has just Laura Mercier written there. Once again, something I'm going to cherish literally until the day I die. So first thing they sent me in here was a mini, or like a normal size of their powder puff. So you can see we have the big one here, and then the mini. They're so cute, honestly. Like, my heart, honestly. Anyway, so yeah, I got a mini of the powder puff, and then I got the their normal translucent powder, which I already have and I absolutely love. I think my sister has her eye on this. She saw me get this parcel and she was like, I want that. Mine is right here. You can see that I still have a fair bit of it. Plus I have the glow setting powder, and I also have a backup of the glow setting powder, so I feel like I'm set for a while. But this is how their translucent powder looks. It's so beautiful. Very pretty. So this is their like original shade. And then I will show you the new shade. It's literally just a little bit more like goldeny. So I'll show you like compared. So this is the translucent, and then this is translucent honey. So you can see it just has a bit more of like a yellow undertone. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. I think I could get away with maybe using this with a tan foundation and like all over my face as well. So I'm really excited. So yeah, thank you so much, Laura Mercier. You guys literally have no idea like the impact this had on my life. Like, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It honestly means the absolute world, and I just feel like crying right now. But I'll keep it together because I need to keep my makeup on. Yeah, thank you so much, Laura Mercier. Like, I'm never gonna be able to say thank you enough times, but I do really appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully you guys like keep wanting to work with me, you know, like, I don't know, that would be really cool. But yeah, honestly, thank you. Like, sometimes I just don't know what my life is. It's so unreal. Like, I don't know how I went from the person I was to now sitting in my beauty room and having Laura Mercier send me makeup. Laura Mercier emailing me and being like, hey, would you like to try out our new product? Like, what? Laura Mercier knows who I am. What? So yeah, sometimes I literally cannot wrap my head around. But yeah, thank you guys so much. It honestly means the entire world to me, and I'm going to cherish this until I die. So thank you. Okay, next I bought some things from Morphe. So I'll show you those now. I did 2 different orders, but I'll just show you them all together, I guess. So first I bought the Madison Beer collection. I'm so excited for this. I cannot wait to try this out. I actually really love this collection. I feel like heaps of people hated it. And I feel like a lot of people don't really like her. I don't know much about her. Some of the things I've seen are a bit questionable, but honestly I don't know the girl. I don't know much about her, so I feel like I can't have an opinion. But I really liked this collab. This is the palette here, and I actually think it's so stunning. I think it is very beautiful. It's nothing we haven't seen before, but I just feel like it's stunning. I really, really like the palette. I really like the design. I love the colors. I don't know, I just think it's a stunning palette and I'm so excited to try it. So yeah, there will be a video on that one coming very soon. I'm really excited to film with that. I think I bought everything from the collection, or like at least one of everything that she offered, if you know what I mean. So I bought the brush set as well, which is just like a 6-piece brush set. Just, I feel like a pretty basic one. What else did I? Oh, I got the luminous setting spray. This one is in the shade Seal the Deal, and these look absolutely stunning. Like, oh, okay, so it comes like this to start with, and then you like shake it up, get all the stuff off the bottom. Mine isn't coming off the bottom. Okay, here we go. Look at it, it's so beautiful. It's like a very kind of like pale, I don't even know what colour you'll call that, maybe like a champagne. But yeah, I'm so excited. Looks so beautiful, so I'm very excited to try that. I do want to get the other shaders as well, but I feel like it'd be too dark. So I got a few of her glosses. I think I got 2 or 3. I got 3 apparently. I got Venus, Mercury and Mars, so that's all the shades there. And I'll show you like a more in-depth, I'll show you them now I guess. I'll swatch them and everything though, like in the actual collection review, you know. They do look really pretty though, I do really like them. So this one here is Mars. It's like a kind of brownie nude shade. And then we have Mercury, which seems to be like a bit of a lighter pink. And then I think she came out with 5 and I got 3 of them, so if I liked them I could always buy more. And then the last one I got is called Venus, and this seems to be like a, I don't know, like a, oh yeah, this is like a really pretty pinky colour, a bit darker than the others. Alright, and then the last thing that she came out with were like highlighters, and I got one of those. They're called Shimmer Highlighter, and I got mine in the shade Fairy Tears. Honestly, both of these look kind of dark, like this one and the other shade. This was the lightest of the 2, so hopefully it works out, but like it is, I feel like it's quite a dark. I don't really know if I see that as a highlighter. It looks more like a blush or something to me. Like it doesn't have any shimmer or any like reflectivity. Is that a word? Like it's not reflective, like I don't really know. I mean, I guess we'll see how it goes when I try it on my actual face, but yeah, straight off the bat it looked a bit weird, but anyway, as I said, we'll see. Next I bought some of the stuff from the new Morphe 2 releases. Once again, I bought one of everything that they offer. So the first thing I got was the Elle Balm Lip Balm in Coral Kisses. Just looks like this. The packaging is super cute. It's just like an orangey shade. Smells quite nice. I'm gonna do a like whole collection on these as well. Like trying out all the new Morphe 2 releases. I also got the Prep Polish Lip Scrub in the shade Sweet Lips. And this one just looks pretty similar to the, like the same compartment as everything as the lip balm. It's Smells the same, but I can see it's got little granules in it. Then they brought out some highlighters, and I got 2 of those. So I got First Light and Moonbeam. These actually look really pretty. So this is First Light. Don't worry, I'll swatch them and everything in the collection video. And then we have Moonbeam. I'm really excited for these actually. I feel like they all look really cute. Morphe actually just announced that they're bringing out a mascara, which I'm excited about. And then this one here is called Moonbeam. It's like a light kind of pinky shade. So yeah, I'm excited for those highlighters. Then I got 2 of their Happy Glaze lip glosses. I got Lucky Me and All Smiles, and these honestly look stunning, like so pretty. This one is Lucky Me, like that is so beautiful. Such a pretty gloss. And then the other one is called All Smiles. Look at it, that is stunning, so beautiful. They're not showing up on camera just how pretty they are, but they're super shimmery and just such beautiful shades. And then the last thing I got was the Brow Crush Tinted Brow Gel in the shade Medium Brown. So yeah, I'm gonna have like enough to do like a full face kind of, which I'm really excited about. So that's how it looks there, just pretty basic packaging. And then that's the colour. So I'm really excited. So yeah, my collection video should be up in a couple of days as well. Like both of these, I can't wait to film them. And then also from Morphe, I just got the 10G Glisten Up palette. I got this one for a giveaway, so, but they've like kind of ruined it, like, I don't know if you can see that, but, so, anyway. I got another thing for my, sent to me in PR. This is a phone case and it's so beautiful. It says SoJo on it. I'll take it out of packaging so you can see it. This is from Modernize. So beautiful, and they've given me a discount code and everything, so I'll put that all in the description below. But this is such a beautiful phone case, I love it. It's so pretty. So yeah, I've got lots of choices. I can't wait to wear that one on my phone. And then I bought myself the Natasha Denona Glam palette. This was her new one. I don't know why, but when I saw this I just had to have it. I love Natasha Denona's palettes, like the formula, and this one, I just love the colour story. It is so beautiful, so smoky, just so stunning. So yeah, review will be coming on this as well. And then the last thing in my haul is some candles. I got some candles from Bath & Body Works and I'm so excited. One of them came broken, so I've emailed them and they said that they're gonna let me know in 24 to 48 hours or something like that, so we'll see what they can do for me. I talked about how I had a really bad experience, but the last 2 experiences with Bath & Body Works have been so good and they've been really quick, and so yeah, I feel like maybe they're finally getting their stuff together. So I'm going to show you the candles I got. So this is the shattered one, but this one's called Gather and it smells amazing, so I'm hoping I'll just be able to like decant it. But yeah, it's like fully shattered. The only thing keeping it together is like this little wrap, but yeah, you can hear it. It's hard to see, but this one smells so amazing. These are all the fall scents and oh my god. I just can't even describe how amazing it smells. So good, I love that. And then I got Leaves. This is another fall scent. This one smells so beautiful. This one smells like, it kind of smells similar to Gather, except it has more of like a tree smell or something. I don't know, they're both amazing, I love them. And then the other one that I've got, I'm burning at the moment. It's called Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, and I really do like it and it smells really nice, but when it's burning it kind of has the like it has a hint of cat pee in the smell, so I'm kind of like it's nice, but then it also kind of smells a little bit like the cat's still here, so I'm kind of like, you know. And then the last one I got, if you guys have watched my Bath & Body Works videos, you know how much this means to me. I got a marshmallow fire set. And it smells exactly the same as the ones from however many years ago. Oh, I cannot describe to you guys how happy I am to have this in my life. And now that I have a spare, I can finally start burning the ones I already have. I want to be buried with this scent. I love it. Oh, it's so good. I'm obsessed. Okay, that is my haul. I swear I had more stuff, but anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for giving me a platform so that brands want to send stuff to me, and yeah, just for supporting me, for watching my videos, for everything that you guys do. I just will update you on this quickly. They just literally messaged me back, Bath & Body Works. Of course it's going to be super slow to load now. Okay, what did they say? We would like to inform you that the damaged item you received will be refunded back into your account since the candle is already out of stock. So that's really cool. So they're going to give me a refund, which I really appreciate. So yeah, I've had 2 really positive experiences with Bath & Body Works after that really awful one. So I feel like, yeah, they are finally getting their thing on track. I feel like I can finally recommend them to you guys, if you know what I mean. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye!